Hello everyone, my name is Julia with Decor, and in today's video we are going to show you how to create this amazing 3D copper base. We created this copper base size 6 foot wide and 8 foot tall. You can use this display for so many different setups like sitting chart, cake display, or just a photo backdrop. Just add balloons, flowers, and or acrylic sign to it in your colors and have a beautiful setup. Use your imagination and show us your work. And now, let's get started. We are going to start with reviewing what materials we need and what tools do we need to use to make this base. 7 10-foot 3/4 inch copper pipe, 12 T-shape 3/4 inch copper connectors, 8 90 degrees 3/4 copper connector, 1 3/4 tubing cutter, orbital sander, 180 grit sandpaper, 2 3-inch screw or nail, a hammer, ruler and a marker, black paint spray can. All the items can be purchased from the local hardware shop. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Sizes that we need to cut our copper pipes are 4 6-foot, 8 4-foot, 6 2-foot, and 8 2-inch. Before we start cutting our pipe to the correct size, we will make our marks. 4 10-foot pipes will be cut to sizes 6-foot and a 4-foot. Get first 10-foot pipe and using a ruler mark off 6-foot and a 4-foot from the opposite side. We will complete the same for the other 3 10-foot pipes. Another 2 10-foot pipes will be cut to sizes 4-foot, 4-foot, and a 2-foot. Let's grab our next 2 10-foot pipes, measure and mark off 4-foot, 4-foot, and a 2-foot on them. And the last pipe will be cut to sizes 4 2-foot pieces, and a leftover 2-foot piece will be cut to 8 2-inch pipes pieces. Take our last 10-foot pipe and measure 4 2-foots plus mark off 8 2 inches at the end. All the pipes are marked and we can start cutting them to the needed sizes. We are going to grab the tubing cutting tool and we'll place the blade exactly on the mark. Press the pipe tight into the opening of the tool and start rotating the tool clockwise. It only takes a couple of spins to cut the pipe, just like that. Now, let's cut the rest of them to the correct size. To make the connectors tighter, we are going to use hammer and a screw or a nail to punch the little bumps to inside of each side of the connectors. Take each connector, place it on a flat surface. Take the screw or a nail and place it about 1/2 inch from the end of the connector. Grab the hammer and hit it 1 or 2 times gently to push down a small part of the connector inside. And then complete that on each connector. One last step in our pipe preparation is to sand them off from any stickers and clean them from any marks and wording. We are going to use the orbital sander with 180 grit sandpaper to remove and clean our pipes and connectors. All our pipes are sanded. Let's wipe them up and paint. We are going to use black spray paint, but you can choose any other color or leave it as is to have a metallic finish. After we've done painting, we're going to leave our pipes to dry for 12 hours. Now that all of our pipes are painted and dried up, we are ready for assembly. We are going to break down our assembly into two pieces, front and back. and then we'll connect them both at the end. Let's create the front base. We will use 4 4-foot pipes, 2 6-foot pipes, 4 2-inch pipes, 4 90-degree connectors, and 6 T-shaped connectors. Grab your 6-foot pipe, connect T-shaped connectors on each side, facing the same way. Use hammer to make the connection tight. Connect 2-inch pipes to T-shaped connectors extending our pipe. Add 90-degree connectors at each end of the construction. Use the same technique to create other 6-foot pipe. Now, take 2 4-foot pipes and connect them using the T-shaped connectors to create 8-foot long pipe. Get other 2 4-foot pipes and connect them as well. Time to connect all of them and finish our front base. Place 2 6-foot pipes with the T-shaped connectors facing up about 8 foot apart. Use 8-foot pipes to connect them. Make sure the T-shaped connectors are also facing up. Set the front base to the side and follow exactly the same steps to create your back base. Now that our front and back bases are ready, we can put the whole thing together. Lay the back base on the floor with the T-shaped connectors facing up. Connect 2-foot pipes into each T-shaped connector. Take your front base and place it on top of the 2-foot pipes and make the connection tight. Let's raise our base up. And here you have it, the 3D copper base. Our copper base that we made is 8 foot tall and 6 foot wide. It took us about an hour and a half to build, plus 12 hours of paint drying time to create this base. Make sure you join us for our weekly webinars where we share so many different tips and tricks on decor and business topics, and I will see you in the next video.